Şirin Language School.
Get up.
Get up.
Get up from the bed.
Get up from the bed.
Mom asked me to get up.
Mom asked me to get up.
Grow up.
Grow up.
They grew up well.
They grew up well.
They're grown up now.
They're grown up now.
She tried to help back her tears.
She tried to help back her tears.
There's no holding him back.
There's no holding him back.
Black out.
Black out.
She blacked out today.
She blacked out today.
Why did you black out?
Why did you black out?
Pass away.
Pass away.
He had passed away by them.
He had passed away by them.
Her father passed away last week.
Her father passed away last week.
Wake up.
Wake up.
I usually wake up early.
I usually wake up early.
Waking up early is good. Waking up early is good. Please get on the bus.
Please get on the bus.
I am getting on the bus.
I am getting on the bus.
Get off.
Get off.
Please get off the bus. Please get off the bus. I am getting off the bus.
I am getting off the bus.
Put on.
Put on.
I have to put on my dress.
I have to put on my dress.
Put on new shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Take off.
Take off.
He takes off his uniform.
He takes off his uniform.
The plane will take off soon.
The plane will take off soon.
Throw up.
Throw up.
I threw up.
I threw up.
The dog may throw up on the rug.
The dog may throw up on the rug.
Look after.
Look after.
Can you look after her?
Can you look after her?
Who looked after her?
Who looked after her?
Fill in.
Fill in.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in the blanks.
Can you please fill in the form?
Can you please fill in the form?
Look for.
Look for.
What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
I am looking for a cat.
I am looking for a cat.
Work out.
Work out.
Workout is good for body.
Work out is good for body.
Workout strengthens the body.
Work out strengthens the body.
Go on.
Go on.
It goes on ringing.
It goes on ringing.
She goes on speaking.
She goes on speaking.
Give up.
Give up.
They gave up without a fight.
They gave up without a fight.
I give up.
I give up.